This is a little update for you, and as you can see we've got some movement. I have so far got the replacement mainspring, which in and of itself will have made a difference. I've had to replace one of the bridge jewels which was cracked, and it's not perfect, it's not quite as good as I expected as of yet, but this is just another initial rebuild and oiling before I strip it for a proper thorough clean, so I'm hoping we'll improve on that. We're currently getting about 180 degrees amplitude, which is far better than it was originally. It's not the blinding news I was hoping to give you, but as you can see, it's pumping away much more promisingly than it was previously. And this, as I said, I do still need to run this through a full cleaning cycle. It's only had a cursory clean so far, so I'm hoping that's going to a good thorough clean through the cleaning cycle, which will be done tomorrow because it's quite late now. And hopefully we will have some action on that for you. We'll have a bit more amplitude, and it will look more promising. And I'm also going to have another look at that hairspring, because I did have a bit of a tweak of that, but I'm still not 100% happy that it's just right. There's still a little bend in there that I want to try and straighten out, which hopefully should help a little bit. But it was certainly a bit more healthy than it originally was. We've actually got some movement now, as you can see, so not fantastic. I'm not 100% happy with it just yet, but I'm certainly happier than I expected to be. It's looking better than I expected it to be so far. So that's good news. So hope you're well. Well done also on your fiddling and fettling of the Timex and what have you. And I hope you're enjoying your journey and delving into the watches. So hopefully have another update soon for you. Brief update number 2. I was actually going to leave this for tonight and come and attack it again in the morning, but sometimes I'm like a dog with a bone, and I just can't leave things alone when I know there's little things that are niggling me. So I am going to leave this after this because I'm happy with where this is at just now. And as I say, it's still got to have a proper thorough clean. I've got to sort out the end shake on the jewel that I've replaced, because there's a bit too much end shake for my liking, and I've just got to fettle things a little bit. I've had a little bit of a play around, sorry for the blurry there, I've had a little bit of a play around with the hairspring. We're currently getting amplitude in the area that I'm much more happy with. So this needs fine tuning yet, but you can see there we've got an amplitude sort of ranging between 250 and 270, which is, it's a vast improvement, and it's close to where we need to be. It's actually creeping up a little bit. That's not bad at all. Beat error I could probably tune down a little, but I want to give this a proper thorough clean and really get that pumping along where it needs to be. Don't worry about the timing and what have you at the moment, because ultimately that is going to be the last thing that I'll look at. I'm just flipping that over to dial up, and yeah, that's not looking too bad. That's not looking too bad. As I say, this is just a pre sort of, it's had a quick clean and an assembly, it's a replacement jewel assembly with oil, and it's as I say, it does need doing properly yet. So all in all, I'm actually feeling quite good about that. So yeah, I'm going to leave that there for tonight, and that's it there, chugging away, as you can see, looking much cleaner and much healthier than when it came in. And it'll come apart again tomorrow. The whole thing will go through the cleaning machine for a proper clean through, and hopefully that's looking good now. Hopefully that's going to be back on your wrist very soon.